Hi, my name is Steve Knight. I'm Vice President of Commercial Sales with Coyote Outdoor Living, and we're here in St. Louis, Missouri today to build an RTA ready-to-assemble outdoor kitchen kit. The thing that makes RTA unique is that the complete system comes ready to assemble. There's no finishing, no skilled labor required to put it together. And as you'll see, it has a very low impact on either the homeowner and or the contractor. The RTA system is fully veneered and comes fully colored. It's literally ready to assemble. Another thing that makes this system unique is that it comes with a countertop. You'll notice as we put it together that all the cutouts required are already done for you. So there's no cutting, measuring in the field required. You simply put it together and then pop in the appliances. The Coyote appliance cutouts are already done for you. You simply attach them. In today's labor market, it's a very, very tight labor market. We don't see that changing in the future. This system requires very few tools. It only requires a power drill, 3 bits, a couple of masonry bits, and you're ready to go. That's it. No heavy equipment is required either. Each one of these panels can be carried by 2 people. You can use a drywall cart or some other way to get the product around to the backyard. It's very low impact and non-invasive on the construction site. The kit also comes with the 4 architectural corners, as well as all the components and hardware to put the kit together. It also comes with a touch-up kit, paint and brushes that should any scratches occur in shipping, you can touch those up when you have the kitchen assembled. There you have it. As you saw in the video, this build took about 40 minutes, but I want to kind of outline the time frame that would actually take a 2-man crew to build this. This project, we're about 70 yards from the road, so by the time you take the palleting apart, bring in your panels, set them up, assemble the grill handles, the door handles, and get all your components ready to install your grill, that's going to add about another 40 minutes to the build. So we figure that a 2-man crew, it takes about 2 hours to assemble a unit. Now, this is a grill unit, but you could also have an L-shaped bar unit. So figure about 2 hours or 4 man-hours per unit to assemble. Some of the features I wanted to point out were the 2-inch chiseled countertop that comes standard with all the grill islands. Also on both ends, the island is pre-vented for either natural gas or LP. So you specify what appliance you want, we'll ship the appliance that you need, and the island's already vented for that on both sides as well as the back. Coyote Outdoor, we have a very, very high-end affordable luxury line. Our entire line's 304 stainless steel. Lifetime warranty on the burners and on the grill assembly and the stainless. So if anything ever goes wrong with those, give us a call and we'll take care of it. Our refrigeration line is truly outdoor rated refrigeration. It's not just a can cooler, so you can keep food in it outside as well. So appreciate your time, and if you got any questions, by all means contact RTA. Look forward to working with you.